Want to start a conversation on Instagram but not sure how? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how you can invite someone to chat step by step. First, go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Now, in the top right corner, go ahead and tap on the messenger icon. Once you're in the inbox section, go ahead and tap on search in the top right corner. Go ahead, open their profile by searching for them. Then tap on the message icon, which is beside follow. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the message or the chat section. Now simply send them a sticker or send them hi. Tap on the arrow icon in the right hand side of the screen to send them, and your invitation will be sent. Once the person accepts, you can start messaging more. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.